here's an infinite honey glitch you can do in Bee Swarm Simulator that can make you hundreds of millions of honey for right now. There's a way you can get 20 million honey for free, but you need some good bees to do this. So if you guys don't know who, so defeat the King Below, you'll get a 1 million from that. I know I made one of these all the way, but it was a snake, so sorry, I tricked you. But this one is actually real. You can make a lot of honey from it. So the first thing is you need to do is fill up your backpack, deposit honey. So that makes you a lot. Do your quest, because look at this one. I'm doing that one right now. The next thing you need to do is get a translator. If you do, you can talk to that red bee, the stick guy, or that blue guy. Next thing is get these. That's another. Deposit when you deposit your honey, get some good bees. Then I'll tell you next what to do. After you deposit your honey, you'll come over here. You have to have good bees to do this. This part only gives you like 1 million and some stuff. Come in here. This guy, King Beetle. You'll try to kill him easily. If you have good bees, you can kill him right now. Let's try to hop onto that spike. Victim bees are not a good way. Grab these honey tokens too. That's another way. After this, you keep running around the whole hideout, and then you get 1 million honey for this. Yeah, now we're gonna go how to get 20 million. 20! You need to have some good bees to do this. Like, you have to have 9s and 10s. Well, not 10s. You come up here. Follow me where to go. So come here. Jump into here. I defeated mine. His name is Tunnel Bear. You'll defeat him and you get 20 million honey and some stuff. Oh look, I got 1.5 million honey. King Beetle. Then when you do that, keep doing some. I'll tell you who the best are. First one, Spirit Bear, that guy up there. Then Black Bear, and then I think Brown Bear. Those are the top 3 best, I'm guessing. That you can make a. So we made 21 million honey. Well, I didn't go get that Tunnel Bear, but I did. Maybe at 4 o'clock, 4:30. Yeah, I wanted to defeat him, and I got a lot. The next thing is, and you should. Let me show you. You can get this for a lot cheaper than 2,000 tickets. Let me show you. Come to the shop. Come in here and buy him for only 600 Robux. Boy, that's so good. And look, it's 2,000. Is that much? 6,000 Robux. Whoa, then why don't you buy the cheap way? Next thing is kill Mano Chick. He's a good one. You'll get a couple million for killing him. Next thing you want to do it, so that's gonna give you like.
I got all my dandelion. Now I gotta go to the sunflower field.
Do you know I'm making a video?
You are? I did not know that.
And I have voice in it.
Cool.
So they heard your voice right now. I'm telling them how to get infinite, like a lot of honey. So far you made, I don't know how long. I don't know how much you made so far, but let me do the math. I need to do math. So it's 1.5. Oh gosh, we have to do this differently. let's just do 1,000,000, 1,000, 10, 100, 1, and then plus, and then does Tunnel Bear give you 20 million? Plus, how much does Mano Tip give you?
A bunch.
How much?
I don't know. It varies.
I'm just gonna say 2.5 million of facts. Actually, we'll just do 3 million. 1,000, 10, 100, oh, not that. Yeah, that equals to 24 million honey if you did all of that. So you just made 24 million honey that fast. See you later. Bye!